Using your own blood to help you heal? It's a new therapy that many pro athletes are now using to get back on the field faster.
Now, as Local 10's Christy Kruger reports, a local doctor is using the treatment for all kinds of patients, and the results are pretty amazing.
Couldn't play guitar in my rock and roll band.
It isn't often that a patient serenades her doctor.
Search for a cure near and far.
But 55-year-old Donna Cutler was inspired by the man she says gave her back her music.
Dr. Lazar, I owe it all to you.
Donna wrote this song about Dr. Alan Lazar.
And then I was in major pain. So that's when I went to see a traditional doctor and I was told I needed surgery. I had an MRI and that the ligament was gone.
You had a torn here. And
Not only was the ligament torn in her hand, but there was arthritis and tendonitis. Donna thought her days of jamming were over. Then she learned about platelet-rich plasma therapy, or PRP. Platelets from a patient's own blood, or in some cases stem cells from fat or bone, are processed, then injected right into the injured area. Those cells are full of important cartilage-building growth factors.
and putting all these growth factors in a concentrated way right into that one little spot, and it makes it heal.
The P therapy is a non-surgical way to repair tendons, ligaments, and joints. But now studies show it's effective in other ways, too.
So there was a great study out in San Francisco where they used PRP with a rotator cuff repair, and they demonstrated that you could decrease the cost of surgery by $3,000 because there's less pain medicine, less immobilization, sooner back to work, etc., etc. So it works great in conjunction with surgery, too.
Most patients will have a little more discomfort right after their injection, but then in 4 to 6 weeks, they should see a big improvement. And then to really do the trick, most patients will need a second injection. For Donna, the therapy was life-changing.
100%. Great. I'm even at the computer at work. I used to hurt and everything, and I had issues at work. I'm just like a normal person again.
In Plantation, Christy Kruger, Local 10 News.
And Dr. Lazar, who is a nice guy, by the way, is teaming up with Appalachian State University this year to treat all of their injured athletes. And the university is compiling all of the data, including the blood work and the before and after scans. He hopes to have his findings published sometime next year.
Just 1 week after